Your practice set 3.2. First question. Two circles having radii 3.5 cm and 4.8 cm touch each other internally. Find the distance between their centers. It is given that two circles having radii 3.5 cm and 4.8 cm touch each other internally. So the distance between the centers of the circles touching internally is equal to difference of their radii. So distance between centers of two circles is 4.8 minus 3.5. That is distance between the centers is 1.3 centimeter. Your second example. Two circles of radii 5.5 centimeter and 4.2 centimeter. Now here it is externally touching circles. So what you will do? To get the distance between their centers, the distance between centers of the touching externally, circles touching externally is equal to sum of the radii. So 5.5 plus 4.2 centimeter is 9.7 centimeter. If radii of two circles are 4 centimeter and 2.8 centimeter, draw figure of these circles touching each other externally as well as internally. So radii of the circles 4 centimeter and 2.8 centimeter. If two circles touch each other externally, then distance between their centers is equal to sum of the radii. So addition is 6.8 centimeter. Observe 2.8 plus 4 centimeter AC plus CB, it is 6.8 centimeter. If two circles touch internally, then the distance between their centers is equal to the difference of the radii. Now BC minus of AC. So 4 centimeter minus 2.8 centimeter is 1.2 centimeter. Your next example is the circles with center P and Q touch each other at point R. Circle with center P, circle with center Q touch each other in point R. It meets the circle at A and B respectively. Prove that AP is parallel to BQ. Triangle APR is similar to triangle RQB. And third thing you have to prove, RQB you have to find out if angle PAR is 35 degrees, angle A is 35 degrees. So these are the things which you have to prove over here. Now in triangle APR, AP is congruent with PR, radii of the same circle. So base angles are congruent. In triangle BQR, RQ is congruent with QB. Again, base angles are congruent over here. Now, RBQ congruent with QRB. That is in triangle, equal sides have equal angles opposite to them. And angle ARP vertically opposite to angle BRQ. So these two are congruent, which means AP is parallel to QB because angle A congruent with angle B. That's why AB is transversal. Now in triangle APR and triangle RQB, you have angle RAP, angle A, congruent to angle RBQ, which is proved above, and angle ARP congruent to angle BRQ, vertically opposite angle. So two triangles are similar by AA test. So your second part proved. Now for the third part, angle RBQ is equal to angle RAP, that is 35 degree. Okay, angle BRQ is equal to angle RBQ is equal to 35 degree. In triangle RQB, sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. Substitute the value 35 degree plus 35 degree plus RQB is equal to 180 degree. So RQB is 110 degree. Okay. So measure angle RQB 110 degree. So measure angle PAR. You want measure angle PAR, which is already given 35 degree, and RQB is 110 degree. Now your fifth question is the circle with centers A and B circle with center A and center B touch each other at point E. Line L is common tangent which touches first circle in point C and second in point D. Find the length CD if radii of two circles is 4 and 6 cm respectively. So if two circles touch each other externally, distance between their centers is equal to sum of the radii. So AB is AE plus EB. AB is 10 cm, 4 plus 6. Now it is given that they have common tangent at point C and D. So angle ACD is 90 degree and angle BCD is also 90 degree. Join these two, AC and BD. Now tangent at point on the circle is perpendicular to the radius at its point of contact. AF is, draw AF perpendicular to BD. AF perpendicular to BD. So ACDF is rectangle. C90, D90 and AF is perpendicular to BD. This is also 90. So angle CAF is also 90. So it is rectangle. CD is equal to AF and DF is equal to AC. Now opposite sides of this rectangle. BF is this BD minus DF. DF is 4 because it is equal to AC and DB is 6. 6 minus 4 that is 2. BF is 2. Now observe triangle ABF. AB square is equal to AF square plus FB square. Solve this. You have value of FB as value of AF as root 96. So the length CD is equal to length AF, which is equal to 4 root 6.